So if you guys that know me, you've been following me for a minute now, you already know that I have oily skin, so I've been on the hunt to try to find me a good matte foundation. Let's just say I've heard some pretty good things about this foundation. So let's just get into the specs of this foundation. Of course, you know by the name, the foundation is supposed to give you a matte finish, and it's a comfort matte finish or free formula, and it also comes with a pump. Having a pump on a foundation is a huge plus for me, because the reason why I say this is because I hate having foundation, you know, the ones that you have to dump out on your hand. I freaking hate those kind of foundations. Like, I just feel like you waste too much product with. But if you have a pump foundation, it is always good because you can control the amount that you will be able to put out. In the shade T60, so hopefully this foundation matches my skin tone very well. It, like I said, it's supposed to last up to 12 hours. I'm not going to wear it for 12 hours, but I am going to put this foundation on and go out my day. Just going to squirt a little bit, just a little bit on my hand, and I'm just going to go in with a brush. I love applying my foundation with brushes for some reason. I have, like, the me and the beauty blender, like, we have a love-hate relationship. Simple. I just don't like applying my foundation with beauty blenders, but I'm just going to dab it. Right off the back, I noticed that it is super smooth, like, and it's like thin, very, very thin. So if you don't like a cakey kind of like foundation, you can use this one. Guys, so this is the side that I have the foundation on, and of course this is the side I do not have the foundation on. If I just want to just put this on and just do concealer, the whole natural shabam, I would probably be good enough. But me, I'm extra. I love to be like full out glam, so I'm probably just gonna add like another coat on top. But as of right now, like I said, it's very thin, very, very light. You do not even, like, you can't even tell that you have on foundation, which is always a plus. So as you can see, this is the side with the foundation, and this is the side without the foundation. So you really just can't even tell a difference. Kind of waiting a minute to see if the foundation is going to actually oxidize, because I also have an issue with that as well. A foundation always turns out to be my color when I first apply it, but then once it sits for a while, it always turns orange for some apparent reason. So let's just pray and like hope that this foundation does not turn orange and it just stay the color that it is. But right off the back, the foundation is super light. So if you like a natural finish, something that's not too heavy, you will love this foundation. It kind of have a smell to it. I'm just weird like that. I always smell my foundations before I apply it to my face. I don't know why, because I still end up using it, but it does have like a little, like a slight smell to it. After I get through applying the rest of my makeup, I'm going to come back to you guys and show you guys the finished look to see if this foundation is actually trendy. Yes guys, this makeup, I'm touching my skin right now, and I do not have any, I don't know if you can see it, but I do not have any transfer so far, so I am so excited because of that. You see what I mean when I say, like, at first the foundation was kind of light, but once I let it sit for a minute, it kind of blend in perfectly with my skin. So that is what I do love, because like I said, with a lot of my foundation, once it usually sits for a minute, I always have trouble with when the foundation oxidizes and it always turns orange on me. But for the most, it is looking so good. Right now, I'm loving this foundation, but y'all know how I'm always, like, when it comes to my foundation, when I'm trying, y'all know how I am when I first try a new foundation. I'm like, oh my god, I love it, I love it, I love it. And then by the end of it, my oils always seep through, and I'm just like nothing seems to work. So with this foundation, like I said, it's supposed to give you a matte finish up to 12 hours. I'm not going to wear this foundation for 12 hours. I'm just going to go and do my errands throughout my day. It is 3:42. So this foundation looks bomb, guys. As you can see, the rest of my makeup is done. It is flawless. Got my highlight popping, because you know I'm like the highlight queen. I'm very dramatic when it comes to my highlight, and everything is just flowing together. Anyways, guys, I will come back to you guys at the end of the day to show you my initial thoughts and to show you exactly how this foundation held up with me running my errands throughout the day. So yeah, guys. So guys, I'm like maybe 15 minutes away from school. I'm like stuck. Please, honey, do not fucking hit me whatever you do. I'm like stuck in traffic. Now we're deciding to move once I pick up my camera to the Cooper. But yes, I just made it to school, so I just want to do a check-in with this foundation, and you can look at my nose area. I can kind of see some pores starting to open up right about here, but so far so good. So come back in later when we'll check in, maybe 2 hours from now, to show you guys how it. Okay guys, this is like me. It's 8 something right now, and this is how my makeup is looking. It is a little shiny, like right here. I got my little ring light on my camera or whatever, but it's just a little shiny, like right here in this area. That's why I usually get oily at. So yeah, that is how that is going. But I just want to do a check-in. I don't know if you guys was able to see like the footage from my iPhone good, so I just want to do like another video, and I'm finna get ready to leave school. So I will check in with you guys when I make it back to the house, so you can get my initial, like my final initial thoughts on this foundation. So it is like almost midnight, and I made it home like maybe an hour ago, but I just want to come on here and show you guys my makeup. And like every other foundation, I am a grease ball, but I can say on an everyday basis wearing this makeup, this foundation, I love this foundation. Y'all, I'm watching this show on Netflix, not show, but this movie called Bright on Fire, and oh my god, like it's very interesting. But anyways, yeah, like any other foundation, it is at like my oil is seeping through right here. Like I said, I don't have it on my clothes, I don't have it on my hands or anything like that. You can't really see anything. Now if I probably touch right here, see, you can actually see the foundation. But if I were to touch anywhere else, you can't really see. Sorry, my hand, got some on my hand, but you can't really see the foundation. But overall, this foundation, I love it. I will be wearing this foundation if I want to just do some makeup and just run out the house. Like, this hands down is my favorite drugstore makeup. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Like I said at the beginning, it was kind of like a demo on showing you how I actually applied the foundation and how I liked it at first, but throughout the end of the video, it was basically like a vlog. I hope you guys like this kind of video or whatever. Just let me know in the comments box below. So yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.